Yo guys, this is Lim with Lim Reviews, and guess what? We're back with the official retail version of the Redmi K20 Pro, aka Xiaomi Mi 9T Pro. Yeah, so as you guys probably already know, the Redmi K20 Pro is going to be released in the global market, and it will be labeled the Xiaomi Mi 9T. So for the normal version, it'll be just the Mi 9T, but for the Pro version, it'll be the Mi 9T Pro. So anyways, the version that I got here today is the K20 Pro, and I'm sure that you guys have probably seen like a ton of unboxing videos. So I'm just gonna do like a 10-second unboxing video, and then I'll jump into the hands-on and let you guys know what I think of the official retail version of this device. So let's get to it right away. Oh. Done. So here we have the casing, the phone itself, the charger, and the Type-C cable. 10 seconds, that's it. Alright guys, so now that we've got the unboxing out of the way, let's take a quick look at the accessories. So here we have a plastic matte case, and if you guys look here, it says the price only applies to India. Wow, okay, interesting. Not sure what I can make of that, but whoa, I like this case, guys. This is so smooth. Can you hear that? It feels really good to the touch, and I prefer this case compared to all those, those transparent silicone case. Man, this is lovely. Right, so here we also have the charger, and I've seen on the reviews that you don't actually get the 27-watt charger, but here you get a 15-watt charger. But you guys already know that the Redmi K20 Pro is capable of 27-watt charging, but Redmi is being a bit cost-cutting here by giving you just a 15-watt charger, but that should be pretty quick. I'll do a speed test, charging speed test on that when I'm ready. And last but not least, we have the Type-C cable here. Nothing much to see here. And of course, the Redmi K20 Pro. Try to peel this off and see if you can hear that sound. Oh, that's bad. I'm gonna make that sound effect for you guys to hear. Ta-da! There we go. Hey guys, so now that we have got all the plastics out of the way, here we can enjoy the Redmi K20 Pro in its full glory. So at the back here, let's check out this fiery design close up. So you notice that when you tilt the device from side to side, it's like this fire is alive, guys. Look at that, man. Look at that fire, it's so fiery. So let me know if you guys like this design or not. I personally think it's really, really cool. I can't stop like just moving this device around and just checking out that fire. Yeah, alright, let's move to the side. At the sides here, we have your volume rocker and your lock button. Moving down to the bottom, we have that Type-C port and that dual SIM card tray. So no memory card expansion here, as you guys already know. And we also have your single firing speaker at the bottom. Moving on to the left, yeah, everything is very clean and you have nothing on the sides here. At the top, we have the headphone jack and your elevating selfie camera. Moving on to the back, we have this triple camera, which you guys are already very familiar with. This is a 48 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel wide, and an 8 megapixel depth telephoto sensor. At the front, we have this really nice AMOLED display as well. As you can see, it's free of any notches, and it looks really good. Just look at that side bezels, guys. It's very, very slim. It puts a lot of other flagship devices to shame. We have a very tiny chin at the bottom as well. I like how the wallpaper is like black out at the bottom to hide that chin. But otherwise, I must say that this is a fantastic design. Alright, so you guys probably already know the specs, but if you don't, I'm going to put the specifications like right below here. I just want to talk to you guys about the feeling of this retail version in my hand. So it feels really good. I like the way that it curves at the sides here. You guys can see that. It feels really nice and it feels very sturdy in my hand. I wouldn't say that the screen is too big. I find it really just nice for me. I mean, I'm not sure if I have like big hands, but I feel that the Redmi K20 fits perfectly in my hand. So the display wise, it looks really, really good. It has really nice colors, very sharp colors all around, and I kind of like it that the fact that it comes with no notch at all. So one thing you guys have been mentioning is that the camera starts up pretty slow. I mean, the front facing camera starts pretty slow. So you guys can see it like this. So I personally don't find that to be an issue, because like if you're really going to take a selfie, like, I mean, it wouldn't hurt to wait like just 0.5 seconds more. Overall, I find that the selfie camera launches up pretty quickly and I don't have any issues with it whatsoever. So again, let's just enjoy this really clean display here. Like, look at the design, it's just out of this world. I mean, we have seen a lot of sliders, a lot of those with mechanical cameras at the top, but for Redmi to release one at this price, I think it is really very good for the consumers, because you guys get the best of specifications at a rather reasonable price. So once again, this device will be launched globally, and I'm not sure the price that it will be in your respective countries, but rest assured, those information should be coming out really soon, because we already have Xiaomi tweeting that they will release the Xiaomi Mi9T really soon, so you guys should just stay tuned for that. Otherwise, so far, navigating through this device, of course, there is nothing much to worry about here. Gaming as well is going to be really good. So anyways, I just want to show you guys a quick the benchmark scores that I got for the Redmi K20, and you can see here that I've got 366,000. So this is of course very high specifications, and as you can see here, we've defeated 99% of users. Alright, take that as you may. What we can really tell here is that the Redmi K20 Pro here is coming with all the best specifications in one smartphone for you guys. So I did test out the camera once again, and I took a couple of photos just now, so not that many, but so far I feel that the camera is just average. I'm really sorry to say that, but that is really the case. So when I took this 48 megapixel image, and you can see that you can zoom in really near for that so-called HD preview, and you can see all that hair from that this little monster right here. So I purposely took this picture so that you guys can see it, but like I said, it doesn't seem really sharp. In fact, it looks a bit blur. I don't know why, but somehow it just doesn't look that good. However, when you move into portrait mode, you can see here that the background blur is done really nicely. So let me just show you guys this picture. As you guys can see, the image here looks really nice on the screen. I will pull this image off and share it on Instagram, so you guys just please follow me there so that I can share more images with you guys there. Anyways, camera wise, I'll definitely have to test it out more, because I mean, this phone is already coming with top specifications, so you'll know that running daily apps or gaming is definitely going to be fine. But what we really want to know here is how good is that camera, because on paper it's using the IMX 586, and that should give you some really good results. But so far, like I said, the picture that I took just now just doesn't really seem to look very good. Anyways, that's it for this very quick first impressions. If you guys have any questions, please stay tuned for my full review that should be coming up soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.